innovation, dependability, technical knowledge, performance. Modern stone technologies. These are the principles that help build the highest performing line of products for the stone and tile industry. By continually pushing the limits on what is possible, Modern Stone Technologies has grown to become a premier manufacturer of solutions designed specifically for the professional. Modern Stone is the culmination of a few industry professionals setting out to create a company whose sole mission is to focus on the contractor's needs. By actively working with our customers over the last 20 years and designing solutions based upon their feedback in the field, we have created some of the most advanced chemical innovations available today. Want to know more? ClearGuard, the next generation of sealant technology. Our micro-emulsion chemical design offers the deepest penetrating and highest resistance to dirt and stains. Our water-based formula provides deep penetration and migration inhibitors. Our solvent-based formula provides VOC-compliant, low-odor, fast-drying protection. Grout Colorant, the most widely used, highest-performance grout restoration product sold in the world. Endorsed by nationally recognized companies, home builders, and the grout manufacturers themselves, the Color Sealer has protected hundreds of millions of square feet of grout for the last 20 years. Preserve, breakthrough technology specifically designed for outdoor surfaces, an advanced chemistry designed to bridge the gap between masonry and natural stone that provides maximum protection against the elements. Ultra Clean, the most powerful alkaline cleaner available on the market today. This highly concentrated powerhouse will break down even the toughest grease and oil stains. Use it straight to strip sealers and other synthetic finishes. Diamond impregnated buffer pads that deliver the highest quality finish on natural stone floors. No other pad delivers more durability and longevity. It is the next generation in polishing technology. At Modern Stone, we're passionate about knowledge, and that's why we created the Stonehouse Training Program. This is no product infomercial, but instead a first-of-its-kind stone and tile restoration course. We saw what was missing in the industry and set out to create a hands-on skills class to put our customers' needs first. Now in its 8th year, our training program has branched out and is offered both online and at distributors' locations, making stone and tile restoration skills even more accessible to the restoration professionals. At Modern Stone, we take our business seriously and believe that by doing everything we can to elevate you as a professional, we elevate ourselves as well. Products that deliver in the harshest environments. Knowledge you can count on when you need it most. Our dedication to always looking ahead and providing answers to tomorrow's flooring challenges means you can be confident to grow your business today. Modern Stone, we're right there with you.